Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you my weekly planner which I use in daily basis. It is very easy, very quick and easily available on the Google. You don't have to buy it. It's a free download app. So let's start it. To download a weekly planner, you can go to the Google and just write weekly planner by 7. Highly effective book. I'm going to use that planner in this video. Okay, so just scroll down. You're going to see there weekly schedule from Stephen Cohen in excellent PDF format. Just click it, and from there you will have the both format in the PDF and Excel. I'm going to use the PDF format. So this is the PDF format that I'm going to use for this video for my weekly planner because it helps nice and very easy to use. You don't have to add too many things in it, and you don't have to customize it because it has all the basic needs that you need for a very quick planner that you want to have a look at your whole week at a glance. Okay, on the right side you have the rules and goals, and on the left side you have the rules and goal. At the bottom you have the sharpen the saw, and now you have the it starts from Sunday. Like on Sunday you can plan out your whole week, and at the first you have the today's priority, and then you have the appointment and commitment, like from 8 to 8, and in the evening you have the separate portion. So I'm going to use it into the good notes. You're just going to open it into the good notes. It's going to ask you to open a new document. You're going to open a new document and import to a document. So here you can have this kind of a weekly schedule in the goods notes. You're going to see this kind of the format. Okay, you can write in this very easily. So okay, the first thing, it is not dated, so you can use it for a long time period and you can mark the date as per you want. Okay, what I did, I also made the planner for the last week, and you can see in this one I marked the name of the month, like month of January 2023, and I marked the dates at the bottom of the week's name. And then you can have this portion, like you got the roles and the tasks that you want to achieve in that week. So it really helps you out if you're like multiple things, like you do your profession and you have a side hustle as well, and you want to have you have set each goal for the each task. So this is the very best thing to you, that you can just categorize the roles and you can set the goals for those roles. And then you have the sharpen the saw that I have right. You have this kind of a task. So let's do, I'm going to write this week planner. So first of all, you are going to write the month name, the January, and you're gonna set the roles. Okay, it is very easy to use. You're just going to use your pen, that if you're familiar with the good notes, and you can write it down. Like for example, I'm going to use the colors. You can use the different multiple colors as well. Like I'm going for the brown, and then the rules I'm going to write it them and fill it out. Okay, so here you can see I have write the rules and the goals. Now we are going to write the sharpen the saw, like what activities I do, and I'm going to use a different color for that. But I really like the blue shade, so I'm going to use for now the cyan color. Okay. For the physical, that's right. So my work routine for the day is probably the same because I have an office at a certain time. So what I did, you're going to use this lasso tool, and I just crop this, and you're gonna hold it, just press, and it's gonna show you the properties that you're going to select. I'm going to select the copy, and then I'm going to paste it and set it accordingly the multiple times, because these things are going to be repetitive in my schedule, so I'm not going to write it that's very easy for the digital planner, because if you have a repeating task, you don't have to write it again and again. You just select it, copy and paste. It makes your work very easy. And that's why I switched to the digital planner from a hand planner, because in digital planner you can have a, it's very quick and easy to maintain. So now you have your like the weekly task, like, and at the certain times I do things. I go to the office at a certain time, come back, and I post, use my social media, or I can have a breakfast and the pray and the read activity. They all happen at a certain time, so just repeat them. And now at the per the day, I can have the task, if you have a align the task at the 11, 12, 2 or 3, whatever. But my evening routines are different. It sometimes depends upon the day that I have what I have to spend, or sometimes I know what I have to do. I have to go somewhere and we have a party or something like that, so I can just put it on in this calendar. Like I have a seminar, so I know I have a seminar at that time of period, so I just put the in Thursday blog that I have a seminar. I'm just going to write it at the what time I have that seminar, so it will be very easier. Like this, so okay. And you can check from your rules as well that the target you have set it, are you doing those things or not, so you can have a check and balance as that. And you can highlight your task as well. Like for example, I can highlight this with the using the purple, because this is my priority for this one. And same thing I can do for the, like in this the walk for 30 minutes is main priority. And from this I can also highlight the things that I wanted to do, like my portfolio to make. This is my priority, so you can highlight the things as well that what you want to do. You can do same for this as well, that what is your priority for the day. You can highlight it, so when you look at it completely, so the highlighted thing, they're gonna pop out, and you know that task need your most priority in a day or in a day. So let's fill out the whole things and see how it will look. As you can see, I have filled up most of the weekly planner. What did I do as well, like in this rule I just highlighted with the colors, and I with related to those colors I have highlighted the task as well, so it is easy to track me that this role I'm doing something in this week or not, or at this role if I'm fulfilling my task, or is I'm up to my mark that I've set up for myself. So it's very easy to track my tasks with my rules. Okay, now the next thing comes to you, like this is just for the 1 week. If you want to add up the more pages, what about the next week to next week? So it is very easy to add pages in this planner. You just have to just scroll out like this. You're going to add the pages and just when you're sliding, it's going to ask you release to add page. You're just going to release it, and it's going to add a page as well. Okay, now but what if you want to have, because this doesn't have any kind of a cover, and if you want to have this kind of a cover like that, I have created this cover. So if you go to the good notes, so you're going to see the weekly planner cover and the name of it. You can change the colors, and then you can have your planner with the covers. So I'm going to tell you how can you do that. Okay, so if you want to add a page, just add a page at the front. And what I'm going to do, you're going to go here and change template. Okay, in change template we're going to do the cover, and you can select any cover you want. So I'm just going to have this line wave cover and apply to it, apply changes. So you see this page has converted into the cover. And if you want to change the name of it now, like for example we have like 7 habits of highly effective, just going to selected, and you can change from the planner or weekly planner, just like that. Like you can have your planner at one glance, just you can click it, and then you can have your planner very quickly and easily. Okay, what if you want to have like kind of I have a separate index for my weekly planner, just like I don't have to go to the Google Notes and select my planner. I can just click from here and my planner will be open for the week, and I can have a look at it. I don't have to go to the Google Notes and access to the planner. So this shortcut, I'm going to tell you how can you make it. Just go to the shortcuts. Okay, in this you are going to search for the app. Like I need a Good Notes shortcut now. For example, like I need the shortcut for my planner. I'm just going to add it over here, and you're going to select it, this I section, and I'm going to add to home screen. And then it's going to ask you if you're going, I'm going to change this cover as well. So I'm going to choose a photo that I've saved for it. So for example, this one I have saved it. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to change the name of it. So you see, you can have this planner, just open it and your planner will be open.